How to earn clan XP in Raid Shadow Legends. So of course you're gonna go ahead into your clan and you should be able to see the clan quest over here. This is one way you can mainly get your clan XP. So you can claim quests you can finish before the weekly reset. You have the basic, you have expert, and you also have the elite. So every 30 clan quests completed by the clan does award clan XP. So as you can see over here, you have 500 clan XP. Same with expert and basic. And you'll see the reset time right there. It resets currently on 5 days and 19 hours. So you're gonna have to cooperate with your teammates, I suppose, or your members. So when a clan versus clan tournament is active as well, you can complete as many point earning activities as you can, since reaching a certain CVC reward milestones can also award clan XP to, of course, your clan. You can help your clan reach quest milestones, so you shouldn't just focus on your own 3 weekly clan quests. You can help make sure the whole clan is completing theirs too. The clan XP reward is based on the clan reaching the collective 30 completed quest milestone as well. So you can try your best to keep the clan active every week by participating and doing your part as well. Regular participation in clan quests, achievements, and CVC is the main reliable way to keep your clan leveling up over time. The higher clan levels unlock better clan benefits such as more clan shop slots, more weekly clan quests, extra campaign silver, and additional multi-battles, which will lead to even more extra clan XP. So the clan XP does belong to the clan itself. Of course, it's not your personal account, so if you leave the clan, you do not take that XP with you, obviously. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can get more clan XP for your clan, I suppose. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.